Mga kabalikat ko sa serbisyo, DAR Secretary Attorney John Castriciones, USEC Attorney Emily Padilla, Governor JV Tyron Uy, DAR Regional Director Joseph Aurelia Carpo Davino Dalanon, Parpo Melchor Hamora, Parpo Eliordo Gualberto, Carpo Nancy Ramos, Marpo Romel Protasio, BJMP Jail Senior Inspector Rienzo Sienes Rolio of Montevista District Jail, officials of Agrarian Reform Beneficiary Organizations, Chair Diarc Diano, and Manager Carpencita Valdez of Nabunturan Agrarian Reform Community Integrated Cooperative, Chair Carlito Diayon, and Manager Maria Elisa Toda of Concepcion Multipurpose Cooperative, all members sa tanang mga ARBOs, ang tanang natong mga mag-uuma, my colleagues from the Department of Agrarian Reform and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, other partner agencies, may buntag kanatong tanan. Dili kini ang pinakaunang higayon nga nagkaroon kita og MOU signing para sa Region 11 para sa IPAP. In fact, on last February 17, 2020, I physically attended the signing of the Mother Regional Memorandum of Understanding between DAR and BJMP, DAR and DOH, and DAR and the Medical Mission Group. We were able to forge 2 marketing agreements with 2 ARBOs then in Davao City. I would like to commend and extend my sincerest gratitude to our very supportive and reliable local Chief Executive of Davao de Oro, Governor JV Tyron Uy, the provincial offices of the DAR and BJMP for taking it up a notch by showing their commitment in this program through this activity today and the reason why we are all here. Ikanapulo na kini, in fact, nga virtual MOU signing nato. And I'm very, very happy that we are doing this despite the physical limitations brought by COVID-19. I was made aware that as of September 3, 2020, the ARBOs who are part of this Enhanced Partnership Against Hunger and Poverty program have an accumulated sales of 115 million pesos. This happened because of the strong leadership of the 2 most active partners sa IPAP, ang DAR ug ang BJMP. We are about to finish linking all the regions. Actually, we will be having 2 more regional MOU and marketing agreement signing within the month. Ugma, September 22 with Region 2, and sa sunod semana with Region 6 on September 29. After that, we only have NCR and BARM na lamang para makover ang tanang regions sa tibok nasod. Alang sa kasayuran sa tanan, asa ba nagsugod kining IPAP program? Actually, kining IPAP program na-inspire kini sa ginabuhat dito sa Brazil. Ang Brazil government ilang ginalink up ang ilang mga mag-uuma dito sa mga national feeding programs nila. So, parehas lang gihapon nga sistema ang maoy gi-adapt sa DAR, DSWD ug ang Department of Agriculture sa original na PAHP program. Ang ilahang gibuhat, gi-connect nila ang ilang mga ARBOs dito sa mga feeding program sa DSWD para sa supplemental feeding program and the feeding program para sa mga residential care facilities nila. Sa lakto ng pagkasulti, nagmalampuson ang maong PAHP program sa mga pilot areas o pilot regions. Maunang tungod niini atong gi-expand ang PAHP program para mahimo na siyang enhanced PAHP. Kundiin, mas daghan ng mga ahensya ang ato ng gi-paapil sa ato ang partnership. So, gikan sa 3 ka mga ahensya, aduna nay 11 more agencies and partner institutions nga gipampartner nato sa EPAHP. Apil na diri ang akong opisina, the Office of the Cabinet Secretary, kauban ang DILG, BJMP, DepEd, DOH, NNC, DOST, DTI, NAPSI, NIA, TESDA, POPCOM, ug ang Land Bank. Nya gikan didto ato pagyugi expand pa aron mapaapil pod nato sa atong partnership ang Philippine Coconut Authority, ang National Dairy Authority, ang Philippine Carabao Center, ang Development Bank of the Philippines, ug ang Department of Information and Communications Technology. Pinaagi sa IPAP, kita naghinaot nga makabot nato ang atong targets sa United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, ang Philippine Development Plan 2017 to 2022, ug labaw sa tanan ang direktiba ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte nga mapaubos nato ang poverty incidence to 14% or 14%. I would also like to share with you that the IPAP program is among the banner programs sa atong Interagency Task Force on Zero Hunger nga kita ang maoy gipili nga chairperson under Executive Order number 101 to eradicate hunger in the Philippines by year 2030. Tuyo pod nato nga i-expand pa ang opportunities and collaborations nato for all the beneficiaries of our community-based organizations ug ang ARBOs nato ilabi na by linking up these ARBOs and community-based organizations sa DOST FNRI technology adapters sa pag-produce sa complementary and supplementary food para sa atong government feeding programs. To put this into action, we actually conducted the first Kumain webinar series wherein we encourage the micro, small, and medium enterprises of the Department of Trade and Industry and the Scaling Up Nutrition Business Network of the National Nutrition Council para mahimong partners pod nato sa atong Zero Hunger initiatives. Hinaut pa unta, pinaagi sa atong IPAP program, ato pod silang malink ang atong community-based organizations ug ARBOs dito sa mga technology adapters nato. Kining MOA signing na atong ginabuhat karon between the DAR, Davao de Oro, and Monte Vista District Jail and the marketing agreement signing between Nabunturan Agrarian Reform Community Integrated Cooperative and Concepcion Multipurpose Cooperative and the Monte Vista District Jail are all proof that the IPAP program is working. Therefore, I strongly encourage our IPAP agencies to continue the intensified support to our farmers and ARBOs. I hope that aside from linking them with the demand side, we can also link them with our support services and financial and credit assistance so that we can increase their productivity and their capacities. I would also like to encourage our ARBOs and other local farmers here to proactively and continuously participate in this program. Dili gyud mo magmahay ani tungod kay mamahimo ng kliyente ninyo ang gobyerno, dili na ta moagi sa mga middleman kay para ang tanang kita maadto direkta mismo sa inyong mga kooperatiba. And I hope that this will set an example to all our local government units, not just in Region 11 but the entire country as well. And I'm sure si Governor Tyrone Uy is 100% supportive sa maong inisyatiba nga hinaot pa unta ang ato mga local chief executives kung aduna mo yung mga feeding programs, i-link up pod nato pinaagi sa IPAP nga direkta na ta mismo mo palit dito sa mga gagmay nga mga mag-uuma nato. I hope that in the next round of MOU and marketing agreement signing, we can forge partnerships with our local government units and other partner agencies under the IPAP program. Sama kausapak, congratulations kaninyong tanan, congratulations at mabuhay kayong lahat.